welcome to another Storybook Crafts from the Alameda Free Library. This week's craft is, I think, one of the most fun. Go outside, find a rock, any size, make sure it's nice and smooth. Could fit in your pocket if you wanted it to. Mine fits in the palm of my hand. We're going to make Ishi based on this adorable book, Ishi, Simple Tips from a Solid Friend by Akiko Yabuki. Ishi means rock in Japanese. This book is so hopeful. I absolutely love it. How to use it? Enjoy the book. Choose happiness. Share your happiness. Pass Ishi to a friend. Enjoy their happiness. I hope you find this book and love it as much as I do. And then make your own Ishi. All you need is that rock, so go outside and find one. Maybe you have one in your own garden. Maybe you can go to a park, find a nice smooth rock that you can draw on. We will need a pencil, a piece of scrap paper, and a permanent marker. Any size. I've got a skinny one, a really big fat one, and a medium size one. Any size one you want will work. Use your scratch paper to practice your face for Ishi before you put it on your rock. Let's see, I know I want some anime eyes for my Ishi. So I'm going to practice here with my pencil and see if I can come up with one that I like here. Yep, I like it. All right, I'm ready. I've practiced. I am going to now draw that face on my rock. I might like to do it in pencil first, just so that I know I get it just the way I want it. So I'm going to use my pencil to draw my Ishi's face here. Good, good, good. All right, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Yep, this Ishi kind of already has its own face, or smile, but I think I'm going to go with the one I had. Yeah, all right, I'm ready to use my permanent marker to get my Ishi's face here. You know, I think I changed my mind. Let's get an eraser. I'm going to put my face a little lower on my Ishi so that I can match that crease that's already naturally occurring in the rock. That's why we use a pencil. Bring my eyes down a little lower here. Practice, practice. There we go. All right, there we go. Oh yeah, I like that. Look at the mouth's already there. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm going to carefully use my permanent marker here. Draw the eyes. The next eye. And Ishi's mouth. Oh my gosh, I love it. There's my Ishi. I will share it with you. I hope that you make one and share it with others. Choose happiness, spread happiness. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.